So what the hell is going on here?
Oh, well, there's this arm. Let me just stop shaking my arms. There's an arm wrestling thing. He wants to see how strong I am. And either way,
come on.
Either way I win. He beats me for the rape. If I beat him, that means I could rape him easily.
Come on.
Go ahead, do it, Will.
Come on, see how strong you are.
Okay, on your mark.
This is reversed.
Come on, on your mark, get set. On your mark. Come on, you guys, get set. Come on. On your mark, get set, go. Go, you fuckers, go. Go.
I can throw people in our
Go try, do it, son. Go, Gadget, arm wrestle. It worked. What the hell?
I can pick up 470 pounds.
Bad thing is, you can knee lift the damn fucking table thing.
Hold your ass.
I can melee someone in a truck, but I cannot beat anyone in our wrestling. You know what that means?
Yeah, I know what that means.
Oh my God, Will, be careful.
Yeah, let's put this shit on
the back.
Put it in the bag.
I'll get him up on the table.
No, I don't need to.
Why get him up on the table?
Yeah, you get that shit off the table. I'll get him up on the table.
You can a little bit.
Oh, no, you sitting right here.
I gotta put this in the
Are you recording right now?
Okay, if you leave,
Of
you gotta come back with
course.
some weed.
I'm recording it.
weed. There's no drugs in it.
You don't have your own personal drugs.
No, I have fun. I'm nowhere
What
near
is your name?
Felicia.
Oh my God. I have to give you a nickname now. I'm gonna call you
You
Sha.
think I'm joking? They funny
Sha.
shit.
Just for
You get
Sha.
home, you get out your shower after 8 bed.
Oh my God.
Creepy.
Guys, she has a nickname now. It's Sha.
Sure.
Sha. You have to say it like that.
Nickname
It's like
people, don't you?
Sha. Because it's easier to remember than government names. Like everybody has a government name, but not everybody has a nickname. Oh.
Good point.
Ding.
Well, I have a nickname.
It's Lulu.
I had another nickname before that.
No, it's Lulu.
Okay, it's Lulu.
It was Deep Throat Dami.
Deep throat. What?
You should have seen him with that damn muffin. That muffin.
You keep talking about that muffin.
Do you
I was
know
horny all
the
day off that
Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man?
Yeah, that muffin
Do
was-
you know the Muffin Man who
You're lucky it
goes
wasn't
to
blueberry. If it was
Seymour?
No, that muffin raided to the back of his throat and was down off no chew.
No,
I like
that muffin ran a marathon to the back of his throat and said, "Down the slide."
I don't know, Grandma. I might be too little for this slide.
Do the wee. Do the wee again. Do the wee. Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who goes to Seymour?
You guys can go fuck yourself.
You want to know something really funny?
You know what's so funny? I can do it.
I do it regularly.
Oh my God.
Oh God, she is wild. Don't do that.
I can do it.
Oh no.
Balls.
I hit a
Ball sack. Ball chin in. Ball sack. Penis. Scrotum. Testicle.
Shit.
Look at say it all strong and manly.
I'm gonna throw up a gang sign.
Penal area. Penal area. Diddle.
Yeah. Throw it up so fast, I'm gonna need to see it.
Oh.
Do you know the Muffin Man? The Muffin Man. The Muffin Man. He likes having sex with me. He does it. Double penetration. Oh wait. Yeah, I gotta show y'all the fucking card from Leather Rack. Keep forgetting to show y'all.
The card from what?
Leather Rack. It's
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Okay. To end this video, to finish this video, everybody has to say goodbye. And you have to yell Minaj at the top of your lungs, okay?
Minaj.
Yes. No, just yell Minaj, please. And thank you. Wait, one. Just do it.
Goodbye, Minaj.
Goodbye. Say goodbye. Throw up the peace sign and then say Minaj. You can say Minaj, so it doesn't matter.
That's a three-way.
Alright, you ready? One, 2, 3.
Goodbye!